Hey guys, if you just started working at a restaurant in the US, especially if you're new here, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll go over simple English conversations you'll use every day at work. Let's practice together so you can speak with confidence. Making a reservation.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner, please.
Of course. For what date and time, ma'am?
This Saturday at 7 p.m. Do you have a table available?
Let me check. Yes, we have a table for two available at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Can you put it under the name Sarah Lee?
Sure, Miss Lee. A table for two this Saturday at 7 p.m. under your name.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you then.
Arriving at the restaurant. Good evening. I'd like a table for one, please.
Good evening. Sure. Do you prefer sitting by the window or near the center?
By the window, please. It looks nice there.
Great choice. Here is your table. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Of course. Here's the menu as well. Please take your time to look through it.
Thank you. I'll check and order soon.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your water.
Ordering food.
Excuse me, could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are. Do you already know what you'd like to order?
I'm thinking. What do you recommend today?
Our best seller is the grilled salmon with vegetables. It's very popular.
That sounds nice. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink with that?
Yes, just a glass of water, thank you.
Perfect. I'll bring your order right away. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Asking about the menu?
Excuse me, could you tell me more about this dish?
Of course. That's our grilled salmon. It comes with vegetables and mashed potatoes.
Sounds nice. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. The flavor is light and fresh.
Okay. And what about the chicken pasta?
The chicken pasta is creamy with a garlic sauce. Many customers love it.
That's hard to choose. Which one do you recommend?
If you like something light, go with the salmon. If you want something rich, the pasta is perfect.
Great. I'll try the salmon then. Thank you.
My pleasure. I'll bring your order right away.
Serving food.
Excuse me, is this my order?
Yes, ma'am. Here is your grilled salmon with vegetables.
It looks delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get you anything else? Maybe some sauce or extra napkins?
Some lemon on the side would be great, please.
Of course. I'll bring that right away.
Perfect. Everything smells amazing.
I'm glad to hear that. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Complaining about food? Excuse me, sir. I'm not very happy with my dish.
I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
The chicken is a bit undercooked, and it doesn't taste fresh.
I understand. Thank you for letting me know. Would you like me to take it back to the kitchen?
Yes, please. I'd prefer it well cooked.
Absolutely. I'll have the chef prepare a fresh dish right away. Would you like something to drink while you wait?
A glass of water would be nice. Thank you.
Of course. I'll bring it right over. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Paying the bill.
Excuse me, could I get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. By the way, do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept both credit and debit cards.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll just run it through the machine.
Sure.
Here you go. Everything is done. Please check the receipt.
Great. Everything looks fine. Thank you for your service.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Just a few minutes a day. You can use this conversation in real life. Investing in English today is investing in your income and future opportunities. Tell us in the comments which conversation you want to learn next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to share even more new conversations with you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.